Okay, we're going to look at a new type of percent problem. They're called percent increase or percent decrease problems. With these problems, we're trying to find the percent. So far, all the problems we've worked with, I've given you the percent and you found out what that percent is worth. Now it's going to be a little bit backwards. So let's take a look at two practice problems in this video. It costs a company $84 to make a microwave. They sell the microwave for $126. What percent do they increase the price? So we know that they increase the price. So it costs $84 and they're going to sell it for $126. So we know that they increase the price, and we can figure out how much they increase the price by just doing some subtraction. And we would figure out that they increase the price by $42. So the price goes up $42. Now the question doesn't say by what amount do they increase the price. They say by what percent. So I need to figure out what is this as a percent. So as a percent, what is $42? So we're going to set up the problem in a similar way as all the other problems. In this problem, the $84 is the whole. So 84 is the 100%. And we're trying to figure out what 42 is. So we're trying to think of $42 is what percent. So I noticed that I can divide by 2. 84 divided by 2 is 42. So I would divide this by 2. And that would give me 50%. So $42 is worth 50%. So I can say that they increased the price by 50% because those are equivalent to each other. All right, let's look at one more. Attendance at the concert last year was 300 people. This year, only 180 people came to the concert. What was the percent decrease? So it was 300, but now it's 180. So we know that it decreased. So we can figure out how much it decreased by doing some subtraction. And I would figure out that it went down 120 people. We need to figure out what that is as a percent. So we're going to set it up. The original amount is the 300. So 300 is 100%. And this time I'm trying to get to 120. So I need to find a way to get to 120. 120 is what percent? That's my goal. So like most percent problems, I always try to think about 10% first and see if that will be helpful. So I'm going to scale down to 10% by dividing by 10. And that would tell me that 30 is 10%. And then I know to get from 30 to 120, I would times by 4. And that would give me 40%. So 120 people is 40%. So the decrease, it decreased 40%.